If you want to know how to fix a TikTok DMs not working problem, you've come to the right place. So in order to show you all the process, I'm going to open TikTok. And as you can see, I can easily open my profile or someone else's profile. And we can easily open the DMs if it's necessary. So I can easily write something or receive messages from my friends or like followers or something like this. And how can you do the same? How can you get this feature? So make sure to watch this video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. And the first thing we need to do is that we need to open our App Store or Google Play and here search for TikTok. So make sure that you have the latest version, like you have open button only right up here. If you have update or upgrade button, you won't be able to use some new features from TikTok like DMs or filters or something like this. So download the latest version of TikTok, which is possible as for you. The next step we need to do, we need to open settings and here scroll down to find a TikTok. So we need to change some parameters. Scroll down and make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on and also live activities feature is turned on. Then go back, find general and then click on iPhone storage. So from this page here, we need to click on a TikTok and then just click on offload app. As you can see, offloading TikTok will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So that's what we need. We need to click on offload and instead of offload, we'll receive a button which is called reinstall and we need to reinstall the app. After that, we need to try to open TikTok, try to use DMs, and if you still don't have this feature, we need to follow steps like this. We need to open profile, click on more in the right top, then go to settings and privacy. And here scroll down to find basically support and about. We need to click on report a problem. And after that, we need to scroll down to find the necessary topic. And here we need to click on direct message. As you can see, we need to click on direct messaging is no longer available or unable to send direct messages. In my case, I'm going to click on other and we'll come to this page. We need to click on view feedback. If you already have like feedback, we can click on reply or we can click on I need help and we'll come to this page. Here we need to explain our problem. Like we need to say something like this: hello, my DMs not working, I cannot use them, I want to chat with my friends, how can we fix it? Please fix it for me. Like I'm interested in fixing it, I have a lot of information to share and so on. So we need to describe it as much possible as you can. And after that, just simply click on submit. After that, in some maybe days or 1 or 2 hours, TikTok support team will receive our message and probably they will help us to fix this problem. You can also write what worked as for you in the comments below so everyone can read them and after that decide how can he solve this problem as for him. But it's definitely the best way of how can you try to fix it. So try to upload the latest version, then go to settings and check all the settings I showed in this video. And then try to contact support team of TikTok. After that, your DMs feature will be automatically available as for you. And I hope guys this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe and goodbye.